Timeless concepts from Physics Helpline. In this video tutorial, we will discuss a multiple choice question on the speed of a charged particle. The question is as follows. Read the question carefully. This is a particle of mass 2 grams. It has a positive charge of 1 microcoulomb. It is placed at a distance of 1 meter from a fixed positive charge of 1 millicoulomb. Now it is released from rest. We are required to find the speed of the particle when it is at a distance of 10 meters from the fixed charge. Now for the answer. The charge 1 millicoulomb is a positive charge which is fixed at position O. Therefore, it is not capable of moving. The particle of mass 2 grams and charge plus 1 microcoulomb is initially at P. Both are positive charges. Therefore, the particle will be repelled by the fixed charge. Therefore, the particle will be accelerated to right when it is at Q. Its distance from O is equal to 10 meters. We are required to find the speed of the particle at Q. It can be determined using conservation of mechanical energy as follows. As the distance between the two charges increases, the electrostatic potential energy of the system gradually decreases. This loss in potential energy is equal to the gain in kinetic energy of the particle. Now, the initial potential energy of the system is given by Ui is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q1 Q2 by R1, where R1 is the initial distance between the two charged particles. Putting the values 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 and Q1 is equal to 10 to the power minus 3, Q2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 by R1 is equal to 1 meter. Simplifying, we get Ui is equal to 9.0 joules. And final potential energy is given by UF is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q1 Q2 by R2, which is equal to 9 into 10 to the power 9 for 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, Q1 Q2 the same values we put, and R2 is now 10 meters. On simplification, this gives UF is equal to 0.9 joules. Therefore, loss in potential energy is given by delta U is equal to Ui minus UF. Now Ui is equal to 9.0 joules and UF is equal to 0.9 joules. Subtracting, we get delta U is equal to 8.1 joules. Therefore, the gain in kinetic energy is also equal to 8.1 joules. Let the initial and final speeds of the particle are u and v. Therefore, initial kinetic energy is equal to half mu square and final kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Therefore, gain in kinetic energy is given by delta K is equal to half mv square minus half mu square. But the particle starts from rest, therefore u is equal to 0, which implies delta K is equal to half mv square. On simplification, we write v square is equal to 2 into delta K divided by m. Now, putting delta K is equal to 8.1 and m is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3, we get v square is equal to 8100 meters square per second square, which implies v is equal to 90 meters per second, which is the answer to the question. Therefore, the correct option is B. This completes the answer to the question. Thanks for watching. If the video is helpful, then please like, share and subscribe.